Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone and Sony Bravia are on the same Wi-Fi and updated. On the TV, open Home, go to Network and Preferences, then enable AirPlay. Once done, swipe down on your iPhone to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and look for the Bravia name. If a code appears on TV, enter it on your phone to authorize. This step establishes the secure connection AirPlay needs, so don't skip the authorization prompt. After selecting your Sony Bravia from the screen mirroring list on your iPhone, watch for the confirmation code on screen and approve it. Make sure the TV's picture mode is set to Game or Custom to reduce input lag for smoother video. This matters for video and interactive apps. If you plan to mirror often at home, disable frequent code prompts in AirPlay settings, but keep Require Code on when on public Wi-Fi. This balances convenience and security while optimizing performance. To finish a session, open Control Center on your iPhone, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose Stop Mirroring. If connection fails, first reboot your router, then the TV, then the iPhone. This often clears network conflicts. Also check for Wi-Fi interference and move devices closer. As a fallback, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter for a direct, stable link when AirPlay is unreliable. If you keep seeing code or permission issues, reset the TV's network settings and re-enable AirPlay to refresh pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.